everyone, I am Dr. P.D. Divyangana, second year postgraduate student. In this video, I am going to show Lucia jig and wax wafer fabrication for centric records. Lucia jig, also known as the anterior deprogrammer or the anterior bite stop, helps obtain the centric relation by deprogramming the muscles and allowing the condyles to sit in the most superior position. This Lucia jig is available as the prefabricated plastic jigs in which you can use the bite registration material to realign or customize it in the patient's oral cavity. In case the prefabricated forms are not available, we can use the pattern resin to fabricate it. In this video, I am going to show how are we going to fabricate the Lucia jig using the pattern resin. Apply some amount of separating medium on the anterior portion. When preparing this Lucia jig, our goal is to have the table that is parallel to the incisal edges and also see that it is parallel to the occlusal plane or flat in an antero-posterior direction, which should not have any incline. This gives a platform to the patient to occlude with their anterior incisor teeth that separates all the back teeth and hence relaxing all the elevator and the positional muscles. Once this sets, you can remove it. For the wax records, we can use the alu wax or any hard wax like Solidus wax or Dinar wax. Now we'll see how to do the wax record. Fold it into two. Take another sheet of wax. and join this. This is the Lucia jig customized. Now place this wax. And cut it. Cut the wax such that all the buccal surfaces of the teeth are exposed. Remove the wax in the anterior region so that we can place the anterior bite stop. This wax record, we can use it in the patient's mouth to record the centric. And in this customized jig, you can use the bite registration material to realign or customize it in the patient's oral cavity so that to ensure a proper fit. And we can do the recording in this flat plane area in the anterior-posterior movements with a smooth guidance in the right and left direction. Once we attain the anterior stop, in that region, we should make the patient bite in centric. Thank you.